Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below for this item and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, all you got to do, add it to your cart, check it out fast, and they'll ship this to you really fast. So here we go, about to get inside this thing. Let's see what it's all about. Here we go. Oh boy. Nice packaging there. Alright. This is coming from SONORO Kate. Got a nice little handle. These are like, here we go. Bed sheet set. King size. Alright. So we're going to show you what it looks like out of the box. And then once I'm done throwing these in the wash, I'll show what it's going to look like on the bed. So stay tuned for that. But right now, make sure you always wash your sheets and clothes if you do online shopping. Just be on the safe side. You never know, especially with shipping. So here we go. But definitely for this stuff, I would wash at least once, right as soon as you get it. And then here we go. Nice little bow tie type deal again. It's like another present inside. Check this out. Let her breathe. Here we go. We got the Sonoro Kate. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sonoro. You gotta go. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. We got that done. And that's a lot of fun. Here we go. Take a look. You got the 4 sheets. You got 2 pillowcases. I forgot what that other cover is before you put your sheet down. It's like another sheet, I guess. So this is the main one, or this is this is the main one with this. Alright. Put that aside. So I'm going to throw these in the wash and give it about an hour. Then I'll be back. And this is like the other part. You put it over the sheet. Well, it comes with 2 pillowcases somewhere in here. I know they are. There they are. Somewhere. And here we got, right there. So really cool. Nice color too. They got different colors. So if you don't like this color, if you want a lighter color or so, check them out. Add the cart to your shopping cart, and they'll ship this to you fast. So next time I'll see you, we'll be in the bedroom, show you guys the rest of this Sonoro Kate premium bed sheets, 1800 Egyptian thread. This is a premium stuff, guys. You see this on like movies, sets, TV shows, and stuff like that. This is where they get them from. So check them out. Link will be down below. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are again with the queen size bed sheet, the 1800 Egyptian thread. So definitely check them out. Really comfortable, guys. And there's one sheet that came with it. Really soft. There you go. And there's a bed sheet right there, all the way down. See it up. Just got out of the dryer, so nicely warmed. But definitely check the mattress out. This is the queen size 8-pod sleep. Definitely check them out. This is the best bed I ever slept on in my life. Really comfortable, and it has the AC and heat unit right there. That's what turns on the bed, heats it up or cools it down. So cool. Check it out. I'll have the links down below for them. But here are the pillowcases. Came with 2 of them. I need to get more pillows. Can never have enough pillows. There you go. I got a nice little silver embroidered around the background right there throughout the pillowcase, or actually halfway through. But really cool, really comfortable, guys. So check it out. This side, down. But I usually don't sleep with this sheet, so I'm gonna put it in my closet later. But for the video, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Looks kind of crooked. There we go. So there's that. So this is a dark gray version, and check out the other colors they have to offer. And I think they have all the mattresses types. Cali King, Twin. So definitely check them out. Really comfortable. Get it fast and free shipping to you. And you guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Stay warm. And see you soon.